if you're seeing this on January 25th, then this reading is for you. Now, there's something being brought into your life and you're really gonna like it. This is like an emotional gift that's coming for you. It's gonna make you really happy. But it's interesting because I keep it's like being shouted at me clairaudiently. And it was being shouted at me so loud that I almost said the wrong date when I was like presenting this reading. And I keep hearing that it's gonna come in November of this year, between November 8th and November 28th. Okay, that time frame, it's coming. And it's big. This is something you've been manifesting, you've been wanting, and it's gonna be an emotional thing that's gonna make you so incredibly happy, okay? So let's go ahead, let's just drop the deck there, and let's see what this card is waiting for us, because obviously this must be the card that you need to see. Oh, right now, as I'm filming this, it's 1:11 p.m. So repeating ones could be significant for you. I always think that when I see repeating ones, it has to do with new beginnings. So, the King of Coins. Interesting. So this makes me feel like it's an investment. This makes me feel like, when I say investment, it just makes me feel like a big sum of money, okay? So this could be a big sum of money that you decide to spend on something that will make you really happy, or this can be something like you're just going to be getting a big sum of money, like winning the lottery or something like that. But I keep hearing like it's a big investment. Like this, I keep hearing like it's a whale. Like maybe whales are significant for some of you, and that's why Spirit led me to say that specifically. But I keep hearing like it's big. This is a whale. Like this is your whale, and there's no strings attached. There's no like hidden agendas. Like this is like what you see is what you get. Like this is it. Like it really is as good as it looks. Because I feel like for some of you, you're gonna be like, is this like? There's no way like it could be this wonderful, right? Okay, oh, look what's on the bottom of the deck there. I was just getting ready to like drop the deck randomly, but then I noticed it's like the Two of Cups, but reversed. Interesting. So what does this mean? We're starting over with someone. Whatever this is that's coming, I feel like this is a fresh start with someone else. Like this is making me feel like soulmate energy, but soulmates come in many different forms. It does not have to be romantic, right? But there's someone else involved with this, and this is like destined. Like this whole thing that you guys are going to be doing, it's like a destined thing, and we're starting over, we're starting fresh. So this makes me feel like whatever this is, it's big energy. It's big energy, and this is a whole new beginning. Let's see, let's just drop it there. Let's see what this card is right here. And okay, it's the Eight of Pentacles. A lot of pentacle energy. This again, it makes me feel like this is an investment. Like this is something that involves like a lot of money. And it makes me feel like, oh, I just heard you're coming home. You're coming home. So I'm seeing a little card peeking out here. What's that one? Ooh, Justice. Justice. Okay, and also it came out with the Star. That's facing up. Okay, so the Star, that makes me feel, once again, I think that's validation, saying like this isn't destined, like the stars have aligned for this destined encounter. And I almost feel, okay, what is this? What is this saying? The Nine of Swords? This makes me feel like this is an extremely intuitive thing happening. All the blue and purple in these cards. Blue is the color of third eye chakra, and purple is the color of the crown chakra. That's where all this like spiritual communication happens, right? This makes me feel like you're going to be getting a lot of intuitive insights, a lot of like spiritual communication when it comes to all this, because it's going to unfold very synchronistically, because this is divine timing. And I feel like, okay, I'm hearing like what you're going to be putting something into this, and you want to make sure you're going to get something equal out of it. Okay, and I'm hearing that it's going to come, like I feel like a part of you might be kind of worried, because it's like you're going to be putting so much into this, and so you're going to be kind of worried, like, is it really going to like pan out the way I think? And then look what card's sitting right up the sun. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna pan out better than you could imagine. Look, this is symbolic too, because I just was talking about all that blue energy I was feeling, and it's like we're very intuitive. And if you notice, she's riding out of, it's like, looks like she's coming out of the blue and up into this like lighter energy. So it almost makes me feel like, you know, how they say everything's energy before it's like something in our physical. Like whenever you manifest something, it's energy first. You feel the energy first before the physical can come. And this makes me feel like all this intuitive stuff you're getting, it's like you're going to feel it first intuitively, and then you're going to come out of it and you're going to see the physical, and it's going to all pay off. It's going to be amazing. The sun card, this is like coming out of a depression. This is like finding this light within you again. This is like a new, fresh, happy beginning. It's like the birth of a child, right? Like that's the kind of energy. So it makes me feel like something huge and extraordinary is coming for you by November. So you might want to save this so you can come back and see how it all plays out.